Hi everyone, welcome to day 2 of 5 days AI agent intensive course. So those who have registered for it have received an email regarding day 2 assignment on agent tools and interoperability with model context protocol MCP protocol. So first of all, if you will click on this summary podcast link, you will get redirected to a YouTube link. It is a 20-minute long video. This is a podcast which is very informative. I'll suggest you to go through this video. After that, there is a complete paper over agent tools and interoperability with MCP white paper. And if you go to this paper, you will get to know about many useful topics that are very useful for agentic AI and making models work as we want. After that, if you will click on Code Labs on Kaggle, I'll first tell you the first step you need to do is to verify your phone. If you have not verified your phone, then you will not be able to do this code lab. So first verify your mobile phone. Once you click on this, you will see enter your number. Then you will click on phone verify. You will get an OTP and verify your phone. After that, explore new ways to add tools to extend with your agents can do. Okay, if you will go to this is your day 2A agent tool. So to complete this assignment, what you have to do is you have to click on copy and edit option. Then you will be redirected to this page. After that, you have to click on add-ons. Then go to your secrets. Then add this API key, which I told you to add yesterday. You must have seen by going to Google AI Studio. You have created an API key. You can use that same API key. After that, this course is about why do agents need tool. We know that if we want to search something, we need the real-time data. So to get the real-time data by our agent, we need some tools. So to complete this assignment, you need to configure the API key like we have done it yesterday. Don't share your API key with anybody. You can click, if you have not created any API key till now, go to create API key option in the right side, give the project name and create it. Otherwise, I have my existing one that I created yesterday. I can use that also. Okay, this is what I created yesterday. I can copy it from there and I can go to this add-ons, then secrets, then I'll see here I can see the API key. Make sure this checkbox is clicked. Then you can run one by one these cells. This is to authenticate whether our API key is successfully integrated or not. If your API key is not successfully integrated, then this might show you this error, authentication error. Then we have to import the ADK components. We have imported this, and by running this you will get ADK components imported successfully. Then we have to include the helper function. If you are using this outside the like you are not running it inside this platform, you need not to import these helper functions, but we are doing it in Kaggle notebook only, then we'll use it. Then after that, what are custom tools? Custom tools, as its name suggests, that they are our own generated tools which we create according to our need, because every business has their unique requirements, so we can't use generic tools to handle all the scenarios. So this is some theory concept, you can go through them later. Then how to define rules and all. Then we'll run this, and after running this, there might be case that you will get an error, and if you will refresh this page, the error will get removed. Then run these all cell one by one, you will get some output. Then this currency agent with custom function tools we will create. Then after this, we'll get on improving the agent reliability with code. For that, you can go through all these flow diagrams and theory written here. Then you can run all these cells to get your agent ready with some custom tools. Yeah, see, there are some errors I am getting. If I'll refresh this page, these errors will get removed. These errors are occurring because I have clicked on this run all. I suggest you not to go for this run all option. You run one cell at a time. If I'll run this cell, I'm sure this error will get removed. And see, this is doing some precise calculation and this error will get removed. After that, you will go for what are agent tools versus sub agent. Their difference: if agent A is calling agent B as a tool, we call them agent tools. But if agent A transfer its control completely to another agent, then we say it is a sub agent. Okay. So after that, you can get some guide on tool types of ADK, this open API tool and all. Then built-in tools, you can go through Gemini tools, Google Cloud tools, third-party tools. After this, your two-way agent tool section will be completed. Now, if you can see here, you have another section that is code 2B, day 2B. And if you click on this copy and edit option, the Kaggle notebook will appear. Here we are practicing agent tools. Similarly, click on add-ons and add this Google API key here, and this checkbox must be checked. Then after that, you can see we have done all these steps yesterday only, so we need not to do these steps now. We have integrated Gemini API key already. Then we can run one by one these cells. First, this authentication and setup is completed for Gemini API key. Then we have imported ADK components. Then model context protocol we are using, it's an open standard which lets agent to use community build integration. Instead of writing our own integration and API clients, just connect to an existing model context protocol, because it enables agent to access live and external data from databases API, and it has many more advantages. You can go through them later, and how it works you can see here in the diagram, what all things MCP includes, everything, every detail you can see it from there. Then you can run these code one by one. First we have created MCP tool. Then after that, behind the scene what is happening is written here: server launch, then handshake, then tool discovery, then integration, then execution, then response. Then we have to add our MCP tool to the agent. After that, we'll test our agent. We ask them some question. You can ask any question. Then we'll display something and you can go through them easily. Once you complete this, see, you go down, you go through all these concepts, what all those things mean. I suggest don't click on run all, because this function was also giving me error before. Then I clicked on refresh, then I ran it again, so it ran. After that, you can get some knowledge of understanding of what your code is doing through this diagram, how the scenarios are working, what is small order, what is large order, what is large order resumed call. These are different scenarios, you can go through them. Then how we can create agent, app and runner. We can create agent using LLM agent, which we have used here. Shipping agent we have created. Then we have wrap in resumable app. You can read through them, but for those who want to know how we basically do and complete our assessment, this is the overview I am giving in this video. If you want a detailed video, I can provide you that video. Just comment down for that video. Building the workflow, how we build the workflow, understanding key technical concept. These all things you will remember only once you go through them yourself. Check for approvals and all, detects if an agent is paused or not. You can go through these code. It is beneficial for them who are very much into Python. They can understand it very quickly. This workflow, let's tie it together. And this path A approval needed. If path B approval not needed, then what all things will happen. Then you can run this code one by one. This workflow function we have created. Then this, they have tested this demo, this all things. Then optional, this complete execution code is optional, in which they have told what all things have been done. Then it is the summary that we have gone through MCP integration and long running operations. Then you can also practice your all these things. And thanks all. This was all about today's assignment. It was day 2 assignment, nothing more than that, and I'll suggest you to go through this paper once. It is very informative paper. It contains a lot of information and a lot of tech stack knowledge you can get through this paper. Thanks all. Bye.